received a call from SpaceX Security regarding unusual activity occurring near the Rio Grande River between the United States and Mexico. At approximately 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Fort Brown BPAs located a group of individuals occupying a GMC Denali pickup truck near a boat ramp off Highway 4 in Brownsville, Texas. BPAs reported that they believed the subjects were attempting to smuggle firearms into Mexico using a boat. During the encounter, a BPA discharged his CBP-issued M4 rifle at one of the subjects who was armed with an Anderson AM-15 firearm. The subject, a citizen of Mexico, was struck in the abdomen. BPAs secured the scene and subsequently apprehended 3 additional illegal aliens and recovered the firearm. BPAs rendered aid to the subject by applying pressure to his entry and exit wound until local emergency medical services personnel arrived. There were no reported injuries to BPAs involved in this incident. The following is an animated overhead recreation of the incident. Please note that it is not to scale and is for illustration purposes only. The first video shown will be from this agent's point of view. As the agent approaches the driver of the vehicle, the driver's side rear passenger exits the vehicle brandishing an Anderson AM-15 rifle. Another responding agent approaches the rear of the vehicle as the armed subject makes his way around the vehicle. At the time of this incident, this agent was not issued a body-worn camera. The agent discharges his CBP-issued M4 rifle multiple times, striking the subject in the abdomen. Upon hearing the shots fired, 2 more agents respond to the scene and secure the subject and the weapon. This agent's perspective is the second angle shown in the video. The following is body-worn camera video footage from agents at the scene of the incident. The first 2 minutes were recorded during the buffer period and do not have audio. These videos contain graphic content. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, I got the driver. Hey. No se mueva. No, mano. Hey, I'm gonna get this guy off. No muevas las manos, Bájate. Acuéstate ahí. No, enseña las manos. Hey, watch him. Hey,
There's deer to your left, deer to your left.
Hey. Did you get the bags?
Hey, hear voices.
There's at least another body. ¿Ya see him or no?
Hey, pendejo. Show me your fucking hands.
No te muevas, cabrón.
Put your hands right here. Show me your fucking hands. Give me the right now. Manos en la cabeza, pendejo. On the ground. Hey, the boat. The boat. Yeah, don't worry about the boat.
Did you get the bags? Hey, cover me. I'll cover this guy.
Shot fired. One subject hit in the stomach. Abdomen wound. I got it. Hey, shot fired. One subject hit in the stomach. Hey, what? Reload the firearm. Asuelo! Give me units, reds and blues, right before boat ramp. Copy? Hey, go through.
Oh, this is the grocery spray.
Huh?
This is the grocery spray.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm passing that. Hey, he's shot. Yeah. Hey, provide aid. Get security, provide aid. I gotta get her in cuffs. Cover. Hey, getting him out. Hey, cover them. I'm gonna go ahead with to sweep the rest of the road. Hey, Tommy,